Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about cyber kill chain. It's basically a concept in cybersecurity that outlines the stages of a cyber attack. The idea is to understand and disrupt each stage to prevent or mitigate the impact of an attack. It has several steps, so we will discuss them one by one. Number 1 is reconnaissance. The attacker gathers information about the target. This could involve scanning for vulnerabilities, identifying key individuals, or understanding the target's infrastructure. Number 2 is weaponization. This is where the attacker creates a weapon or exploit based on the information gathered in the reconnaissance phase. It could be a malicious code or a crafted document designed to exploit vulnerabilities. Number 3 is delivery. The attacker delivers the weapon to the target system. This could happen through methods like email attachments, malicious links, or even physical means like infected USB drives. Number 4 is exploitation. The weapon is activated, exploiting vulnerabilities in the target system. This could involve executing malicious code, gaining unauthorized access, or taking advantage of weaknesses. Number 5 is installation. Once the attacker has gained access, they install a backdoor or some form of persistent presence on the system. This ensures they can maintain access for future actions. Number 6 is command and control. The attacker establishes communication channels to control the compromised system. This allows them to send commands, receive data, and maintain control over the compromised environment. And last but not least, actions on objectives. This is where the actual malicious activity occurs. It could be data theft, system disruption, or any other goal the attacker aims to achieve. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.